Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. Mean, median, and mode are different measures of center in a numerical dataset. They each try to summarize a dataset with a single number to represent a typical data point from the dataset. So, in this video we learn about what is mean, median and mode with easy example. Let's begin. Okay, in first, what is mean? The average number, found by adding all data points and dividing by the number of data points. Median, the middle number, found by ordering all data points and picking out the one in the middle. Mode, the most frequent number, that is, the number that occurs the highest number of times. For example, look at this set of numbers: 12, 16, 12, 6, 18, 2 and 4. Okay, let's find out the arithmetic mean of these numbers. We also know that it equals the sum of values, divided by the number of values. Okay, the sum of value would be 12, plus 16, plus 12, plus 6, plus 18, plus 2, plus 4. Okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here is 7 values. Now, we divide this sum by 7. Okay, 12 plus 16 equal to 28, 28 plus 12 equal to 40, 40 plus 6 is 46, 46 plus 18 is 64, 64 plus 2 is 66, 66 plus 4 is 70. So the mean is equals 70 divided by 7, that gives us 10, so the mean of this 7 numbers is 10. What we basically doing is finding an approximate central value of given set of values, so there are couple of other way to find the central value. To understand them, we first arrange the value in ascending order from the least numbers to highest number. So, 2 is least number, then we write 2 first, next higher number is 4, we write a 4, so 6 would come next. The next highest number after 6 is 12, and it occurs twice, so we write 12, and 12, then write 16, and then 18. Now, that complete our list. Arranging it in ascending order gives us something called the median. The median is the middle value of the list. When it's arranged in ascending order, there are 7 values we have here, and we can see, the 12 is the middle value, so the median of this set of value is 12. The median is just another way to measure the central tendency. So the mean is the average, and median is the middle value. Okay, now, the third concept is that of a mode. It is the value that occur more frequently. In our list, we can see, the 12 is occur twice, and all other numbers occurs once, so, the mode of this set of values is 12.